manufacturing.
BGM!
What type of products do you make here?
So we do a lot of pump works and stuff for electric motor adapters, things like that. A lot of cast iron, lots of stainless steels, things like that.
Why did you choose to go here instead of college?
I like the benefits of campus. You can come straight out of college, just go to college, go straight out of high school and get a job.
Training and schooling have you had?
So in high school, I went to Lehighton High School. I had 2 metal shop classes that I took there. And after high school, I went to Thaddeus Stevens College of Technology in Lancaster. And they have a machining program there that I went through. Graduated there and
What inspired you to do this work?
So I was talking to Dean one time, who was like a family friend, and he said, you should come see my shop. So I didn't know it at the time, but I was on a job interview that I didn't even realize I was on.